Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Sid. I hope everyone had a merry Christmas. Happy holidays to everyone, and welcome back to Life with Sid. Today I'm doing a unboxing video, guys. I felt like I haven't did a dedicated unboxing video for a little while now because I was doing Vlogmas. Now Vlogmas is over, and let's get back into these unboxing videos. Welcome back to Life with Sid. If you're new here and you like videos like this, luxury unboxing, fashion hauls, and just a little bit of vlogs, hit the subscribe button and that bell notification so every time your girl upload a video, you could be notified. So without further ado, let's get into this Louis Vuitton Double unboxing. Yes, I'm excited to unbox some Louis Vuitton with you guys. So I ordered this way before Vlogmas even started, and I kind of forgot about it. I didn't forget about it, but I was like, I wanted to save it to unbox it with you guys, and I didn't want to do too many unboxing videos while I was on Vlogmas. I think I did a fashion haul, and I did maybe like 1 or 2 unboxing, but I wanted to do like just regular sit down dedicated unboxing videos for you guys because I love doing unboxing videos with you guys, and I know a lot of people love that because I love watching this. All I do is watch unboxing videos. So I'm gonna unbox this. Let's stop rambling. Let's get into this unboxing. So y'all already know. Y'all read the title below. Got the Louis Vuitton, and you already know how it comes with the little pull tab. I just want to make sure I cover my address. So it comes with a little pull tab. So you just slid across here, and you open it, and it says Louis Vuitton. So let's see what we have inside. And it comes in a cute little box. And you know, this is like your receipt and anything, like if you want to do a return. And you know, thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. You know, the usual. And like if you need to do a return, they give you a return label and then your receipt. So we all know that routine. And let me quick little thumbnail. Put this down here. Let's see. So today I am unboxing the Toiletry, and I love how they give you the ribbon inside because they haven't been wrapping the ribbons. I guess maybe because they just put it inside the box, and they send you a little card if it's a gift and you open it and you want to give it to someone. You got your little card and you got your little ribbon. I keep all of my ribbons. So I am unboxing the Toiletry 15, guys. Yes, this little cutie pie here is always sold out. And when I tell y'all, I was stalking the website for this Toiletry 15, stalking the website, and one day it just popped up. One night I clicked on it, maybe it was like at midnight. I was just, you know, chilling in the house, laying in the bed, scrolling on Louis Vuitton. I know y'all Louis Vuitton lovers. I know y'all be scrolling. I know y'all be scrolling just like me. Well, I was scrolling, and then the 19 kept coming up, and I was like, I'm not sure if I want the 19. I really want the 15 because I think it'll fit perfect in like some of my smaller bags. And there it was. But for like maybe a month, I was looking for this Toiletry 15, and it was sold out online every time I tried to order it. And I got lucky, so here it is, the Toiletry 15. I like this Toiletry 15 because, you know, there's a little cards that come in the inside, little card and a little sticker. it's like the leather in the inside. So if you do curry, makeup, and some little makeup, you know, get on it, you can definitely wipe this out. And she's so cute. Little 15. She's so cute. So tiny, look. Yeah, so if you get makeup or anything, any spills in this little cutie pie, you can definitely just wipe her out. Yes, you can. You just definitely wipe her out. And I will be using, I'm not even putting her back in the box because I will be packing her up with some little, you know, my hand lotion, my Fenty lip gloss, one of my favorite lip glosses, lip balms, definitely fit in here. Yes, it fits perfect. And yeah, it'll zip right on up. Yeah, so I'll put like a little small hand lotion in here. All my lip balms, my favorite lip balms so far is like the Fenty lip balms. I like all of them. I have a couple of them. So I'll probably keep 2 in here. And then I have a Dior lip plumper. I don't think my lips don't need to be plumped, but I like the little tingling sensation that I get when I put the lip plumper on. So I will be putting that in here as well. Hand lotion, hand sanitizer. I should have just took everything out so you can see how everything fits in here, but we'll do another what fits in my Toiletry 15. Alright, so yes, she is so cute. So if you ladies are thinking about investing in a small leather good like this, the Toiletry 15 can fit a lot. I've seen a couple people do a review on them and they actually fit a lot in here. So yeah, it's worth the money. I can say it's definitely worth the money. And the structure of it, I love it. I love how it sits up. I don't know if you can see that. Like it sits right up on the desk by itself. I love that. That is super cute. So yes, I will be keeping her out because I will be loading her up tonight. All right. Now we're going to get into the next unboxing. Okay, so let's get into this second unboxing. Now, I have a little mini story about these shoes. Slippers. They're not shoes, they're slippers. They're called the Bombardier Flat Mules or the Slipper Mules. They're so adorable. Hold on. They are so adorable, y'all. Okay, when I first seen these, I was like, I have to have them. No doubt I had to have these. So cute. And I can't believe I waited this long to open them. And I was looking high and low for these. So let's just get these open and then we'll discuss the process. Because these are I don't know about now, but when I went to purchase these this summer, they were sold out. So I've been trying to get these since like August. And I'm just getting them maybe about, I would say I had these for about a month now. Yes, I think I had these for about a month now. And these were sold out. They wasn't even showing up like in the US on Louis Vuitton's website. So let me just get these open and then we'll discuss them. They don't want me to get up in here. There we go. And these came in a different box because these came from Saks, Louis Vuitton Shoe Boutique. Well, I ordered them through my essay at Saks. And I went to Saks to try them on once they came in. And then they shipped them to me because, you know, in New York, you pay taxes. But since I'm a Jersey girl, I get them shipped to me and I don't have to pay taxes. Thumbnail. Alright, so let's get these out. So these are the Bomb Deer Flat mules, slipper mules, and they come. Oh, this is upside down. Can this open this right now? This is a slide out box. Now the Bomb Deer Flats, they have a couple. They have like a fuzzy bear-like type of sandals. They have like the monogram mule sandals, and then they have these babies. Okay, let me pull them out of this box. Let me pull them out. And these are the Mink sandals, y'all. They are freaking gorgeous. Yes, they are. Look at these. How freaking cute. I cannot believe I have these. Thumbnail. Wait, let me take out the stuffing. Thumbnail. Okay, so let me give y'all a little backstory how I came across these. Now, I seen these on social media, and they're like 100. They're mink, real mink, and it has the LV monogram on them. They are super soft. And what I really like about these, because I wanted to get the other mink sandals where it's like the whole toe, but the bottom is not a rubber sole. They're just like indoor, straight indoor slippers. Now, these are indoor and outdoor because it has the rubber sole. The other ones that I was going to get where the whole toe is covered in the mink, they're not indoor outdoor slippers. They're just indoor slippers. So that's another reason why I picked these. And these come in the brown with the black, and they come with gray and the black. But I love the classic brown with the black. So where I came across these, I'm going to link a video about my moon boots, my Louis Vuitton moon boots that I got. And I exchanged them in the Louis Vuitton Saks in New York. And I met a new SA, and they had one pair left. I did the exchange, and then I was asking him about these slippers because I was telling him I couldn't find them nowhere. And another girl that was working there, she was like, oh no, those are done for the year. You can't get your hands on them. And he was like, no, I was just told I was placing an order for someone else. They told me I could place one more order. And I was like, oh my goodness, these are so meant to be. He said he could place one more order. And I told him I wanted them to 37. These are 37. And he said he will call me and let me know if the order go through. So he called me maybe about 3 days later to let me know, said you got your sandals, your slipper sandals. I will let you know when they're available to pick up. Well, they were coming from Toronto. Yes. He had them shipped from Toronto. So, you know, it was taking a little time. And took a long time for them to come, maybe 3 weeks, because they got caught up in customs, blah, 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 I guess because the fur or whatever. Well, they gave me like a store credit because I had to wait so long. It was like, so I could not believe it. I don't even know if I should be saying this, but I have never had this type of royal treatment. These slippers, y'all would not believe the price that I got off of them. I don't even know if I can mention, but let me tell y'all something. Because I was patient, I didn't hassle him. Maybe 2 or 3 times I was texting him like, where's my slippers? But I was very nice about it. I was very patient. When I tell you he took care of me, he took care of me. So, like I said, I don't know, you know, if they were just being extra generous this day, or what, or I was just, you know, got really lucky. But when I tell you I did not pay full price for these sandals, I don't even know. I think I shouldn't even put this in this video. I think I'm going to cut that. Yeah, babe, I don't even want to talk about that. Let's just cut from there. So like I was saying, This is a great starter piece, like for a small SLG. If you want to get it, and you can use it for as a little wallet too, as well as, you know, the cosmetic little pouch. Okay, so that is it for my Louis Vuitton Double unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you're new here, don't forget, hit that subscribe button and bell notification, so every time I upload a video, guess what? You will be notified. Yes, you will be notified. Until the next time, the next unboxing, Sid signing off. Peace.